So today we're going to be building Lego DC Batman set 76274. This is Batman and the Batmobile versus Harley Quinn and Mr. Freeze. This set comes with 435 pieces and was released on August 1st of this year. This is a cool looking car. I was excited when I saw it come out, so let's get started. So this is Lego DC Batman set 76274. The Batman with the Batmobile and Harley Quinn and Mr. Freeze. This is from the Batman the Animated Series, which I'm not too familiar with, but I saw this car and I thought it looked really cool, so I wanted to pick it up and put it together. This set comes with 435 pieces, and this retails in the US for $59.99. So the set comes with 3 minifigures. Obviously, there's Batman, Harley Quinn, and Mr. Freeze. Batman doesn't have any weapons. Harley Quinn has the hammer here, and then Mr. Freeze has the gun. I think this is a really cool car. I like the blue color. That was one of the things that kind of attracted me to picking it up. But it obviously has this this placard here, Batman Animated Series, talks about the car and the length and the acceleration. Here, there's a good picture here again of the Animated Series and the sticker. It does come on this swivel stand, which is a nice display piece. I like the curves of the car. Again, I'm not too familiar exactly with the car itself, but the front of the car is pretty cool here. It's got the grille. There are 2 shooters here on the front that you just basically press like the Star Wars sets. You press it and they shoot out. There is a cockpit in here as well. You can open up the cockpit to see inside the cockpit there. And then there's the back of the set, which has the fire flame coming out of the engine, and then as you move the car forward and backwards, the back the back does rotate as well. I do find it's actually a little tricky to get the stand on. It only comes together with a plate, and it's hard to kind of align it properly to get it on to stay on. But I do think it's a really nice car. I like the colors and the contours. I mean, it matches the car from the Animated Series pretty well. The build was really, I love the way the car came together. A lot of the sort of rounded pieces here. It was a pretty straightforward build, mostly system pieces, but I did enjoy building it for only 435 pieces. Batman is my favorite DC character, so I definitely enjoyed putting this together. I know they're coming out with a new DC Batman set of the original older Batman series, the red and black car, I believe next month, which I'm excited for. But again, this one's a good display piece. I like the fact that it comes with 3 minifigures. It is a little bit above the price point at $60, but I think the fact that it does come with 3 exclusive minifigures does help this set a little bit. And again, I did enjoy the build. I thought it was a nice car to put together. And I think that if you're a Batman fan and you think this is a nice looking car, which I do, I agree that you'll probably enjoy it as well. There aren't too many stickers in the set. Obviously, just the big one here, and then there's a couple down in front here. So that was a nice that you didn't have to put too many of those on. And then, of course, the manual. There's a cool picture here of the car itself and the minifigures, and then it just gets right into the build. There are 4 bags in the set. And it probably has about 130, 140 pages of building with no real description of the set of the Animated Series. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. And if you did, again, I'd appreciate you clicking on like and subscribe. Once again, I appreciate your support and thanks for watching.